Just gonna give you an update here, guys. How this my portable generator project is going, and to be honest with you guys, everything is working fantastically. And thanks for watching. JW Solar USA in Minnesota. I just want to give credit to Magnum Energy, Magnum, if you're hearing, and anyone related to Magnum, then I just want to give credit to these awesome companies I've been dealing with these years, and I fall in love with the machines, and everything tends to work perfectly. My portable generator kit, what you see here, was a big PVC box I built, and you can see some meters there, and the batteries are inside. Like I was telling you, I'm just doing a secret test about my stuff and what I'm designing to do and what batteries I'm using. But I want to give credit to all these companies I'm working with, and thanking them for all the technology and for make this thing landed right on our hands, while JW Solar USA happened to be one lucky guy who was able to afford it and incorporate what I'm doing here. Guys, kudos to Magnum, and kudos to Outback, kudos to Xantrex, inverters and equipments and everything I already have. MPP Solar, you guys are, all these guys are great. VMAX Tank, Nissan Leaf, and Ford Focus, Volkswagen e-Golf, and all the good stuff, all the machines I already owned from the past and from now up till the present, whatever I have. And guys, big news today, big advertisement or big announcement. I want to tell you guys, after thanking these guys, I want to do a 4 weeks of giveaway. You gotta check it out. So the month of February is over. As we coming to start the month of March, every week I'm gonna be posting a video related to a giveaway. I want you guys to subscribe. I want you guys to comment. If you want to be part of the giveaway, make sure that you indicated that I want to be part of the giveaway. If watch for the first person who's going to sign up, you have to be, I am first, I'm second, third division, just like keep on going. The way you guys are commenting, the sequence you guys are, I'm going to be using those numbers. That's how I'm going to do for the raffle. So if I happen to make the drawing on a weekend before the other week is going to start, approximately like a Sunday, then I can post that video who's the winner on 4 items I'm going to give away. Each week I'm going to give another item, but now I cannot tell you what the items are. So it's it's the opportunity you have to take and watch the video. If you're interested, put your comment there. Say, hey, I'm interested. On this one, no, I first, I second, I third, demotion, no, something like that. Keep going. So I can know the sequence, how everything went. For this is how I'm going to able to track. I'm going to do numbers by spinning a wheel or whatever, like I did before. And it's going to be the giveaway. If you fall according to your number, the way you keep coming, and that's how I'm going to be. No, that's how I'm going to look at it and post who is the winner on this one whole thing. Then you have to contact me by my email, jwsolarusa, is one word. I'll put it in the description below, jwsolarusa@hotmail.com. By doing so, and you can able to send me a message. If you are the winner, then I'm going to make a video again. You, the winner, have to contact me and give me your address, where I'm supposed to send this stuff. But I want to eliminate again. This is why I don't do giveaways. I want to do that for you guys. I want to do that because you guys have given me the views and your time watching my videos and commenting. You know, I want to give you guys back something. It's not gonna be that big because of transportation or shipping or whatever it is, but I want to give back the little I can give back to you guys. I give you guys all my all the kind of cool stuff videos you can watch, but I want to do something and say thank you guys, and I hope it's gonna fall under everybody who is interested, so I can send this device. But the problem is, I hate to do this because I always trying to leave my other best friends or friends all over the world, which are like in Europeans and people out of the United States and Africa, you know, the island, Caribbean island, you know, all these other places, Asian Pacific, India, all these places, you know, and even Russia, all these other European places that is too far away, Germany, but Portugal, you know, I can keep going. Even the Middle East. So I have friends all over the world that watch my videos. So I want to give back, but it's far away for me to send something all the way to a European country or somewhere across the globe, because it costs a lot of money. Instead, it's just a matter of you buying that thing, and maybe it's gonna cost them whatever it is. The tariffs is gonna cost a lot for those people taking this stuff out of there. So I want to concentrate within the United States here. I'm so sorry, folks. I love you guys so much, but I'm so sorry because it's gonna be difficult. It's gonna be really difficult. I wish it's kind of easy for me to pull this thing that way. That's why it's really, really hurting me anytime I want to do stuff like this, thinking about it, and I cannot do it because of you know, instead of you end up in the hands of the custom officers that you never able to take it out of there because the value of the equipment or value of whatever it is, and it's kind of hard for someone. Everybody's different, you know, budgets and all that stuff. So I don't want to send something that's gonna get stuck on the custom people hands and they end up taking it, you know, confiscated from the owner. So I can go all about it. Like I said before, I'm back into this again. It's biting me because I just have to do this. So watch out for the video tomorrow. If everything goes right, by God's grace, then I'm going to be posting a video or from this video. I'm just going to take it from this video. You tell me what you think. If you want to be part of it, starting to write I first, second, third, fourth, fifth. No, keep going. That's your number. Right from this video. The next video I'm going to do now is the giveaway. The first item I'm going to give away. Okay? 4 weeks of giveaway. I don't want to get this video too long, but this is the system. Oh, back to this one before I wrap up the video. I started at 16 volt this morning just to do a good test. And look at that. 16 volts, subtract 14.6 by 16 is a 1.4. 1.4 volt I only use running the equipment in the house. This is the 12 volt system. And I have the package I'm using in there is a lithium, but it's I'm not going to talk about it now because I'm testing this, which I have to come up with idea what system or what battery bank I'm going to be using on the 12 volt, on the 24 volt, with the 48 volt. So the Magnum 12 volt, 1012, which is a 1000 watt and 12 volt. Then go with the Magnum, the MS 4024, which is a 4 kilowatt, 24 volt, or the Magnum, the Outback Power with the Outback FX 3048 MT. So it depends what batteries I'm going to incorporate with this. So I've been testing all about. You guys already follow me and see that. So that's why I want to keep certain batteries for certain things. I've been doing testing. Stay tuned for this video. And this is the only voltage I've took, 1.4 volt. for the rest of the day running that. And the batteries in there, they're lithiums. I wish I was going to tell you the kilowatts on that, and you guys can able to make the judgment or something, but it's not that much at all. It's a small package. It's not that much. But I'm testing, like I said, stay tuned for this. I love you guys all. And this guy has been doing awesome job. I would recommend this guy big time. Just like any of the machines out back. Xantrex, which is Schneider Electric, or MPP Solar. If you're watching and if you're listening, and I recommend Nissan Leaf. I recommend a Ford Focus. I recommend the Volkswagen e-Golf. I recommend VMAX tanks. I recommend the long batteries, Kulong. You guys for overseas, nice, a lot of them in Nigeria. Check out my review with the Kulong. Check with the main website, Kulong. Then you see now they're right now the headquarters in Dubai. I got a good review on that. A nice review of what the batteries, what I did with my first 12-volt system 3 years ago. This is gonna be replacing my first 12-volt I had 3 years ago before I started this channel. Okay, so that's a good review, and VMAX is another good company. And I'm just telling you, it depends what you want to do. But the lithiums has been running great, and the NPP batteries, they are awesome as well, which is a valve regulated batteries, which is AGM batteries. I've never dealt with fluoride acid batteries. That's why I don't call them. If you are a fan with those, no offense, but I've never dealt with them, so I don't talk about things that I've never owned. I talk about things that I've owned, or something I've already tested, or something I've dealt with. So if I don't call certain things, don't feel offended. I talk about things only I've dealt with. And by doing so, I can able to answer questions. I can able to share my experience. I can able to explain things according to my findings. Everybody's different. Everybody's system is different. Everybody's wiring is different. Everybody's system is running different efficiency. You can buy the same equipment. You can buy everything. But everything you do, you know, everybody has a gift on everything. The way you tweak your system, nobody's system is the same. If you get that concept, then you're fine. Systems will never be the same. You can have same Outback, you can get same Magnum, you can get all MPP, solar back, you can have all kind of things, Xantrex, but not gonna be the same. One is gonna be efficient more than the other. The one is gonna be losing efficiency. Comes with calculations, wires, sizing, all batteries, whatever, programming. So don't feel offended or don't feel bad. You know, it's just a matter of asking other people who have done it, and they can give you tips. Some people will tell you, some people don't. But find a channel that's probably gonna explain or gonna give you all the goodies and all the kind of stuff, and you can go from there. You find yourself a channel and you make it as a home, and guys, and you go about it. If you find my channel interesting or helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching now. Bye for now.